welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I am Mandira Siddesh and I do videos based on fitness, comedy and vlog. So guys, as you all have seen in the title, I will be showing you all what and all I bought from Flipkart Big Billion Day. So guys, the first thing what we bought was this kitchen tool. Okay, you all can see this. Yeah, this was from Pigeon and it's a 5 pieces of set and 1 stool. Wait, I'll show it. Okay guys, you will get a 4 knife and then 1 scissor. It's nice. And a stand for it. This is nice. And yes guys, 1 minute. So guys, I'll be inserting a picture over here. It's called as Pigeon Kitchen Tool Set, stainless steel knife set. It's almost 6 pieces what they have told, and it's around 700, and we got it for 209. Yes guys, this is a worth, I swear. So guys, the second thing was this vegetable cutter. Okay, I should not do that. Okay. Yes guys, 1 sec. So I will be inserting a picture over here. I won't tell it again and again, just see it, okay? This was a Flipkart Smart Buy vegetable and fruit cutter, and it was around 1300 and we got it for just 100 rupees, like 100. So guys, the next thing is my favorite, like favorite. I don't think this would be a favorite for everyone, but I was the one who saved so much money, like so much. Wait for it. So guys, this is what I bought for my mom. It's a Prestige stainless steel cooker. One is 5 liter, one is 3 liter and one is 2 liter, and you can never believe for how much I got this.
Okay guys, I'll give you 5 seconds. Guess. Go ask your mom that. You will never know that because I didn't know.
This is a Prestige popular stainless steel combo pack of 5 liter, 3 liter and 2 liter, and it was around almost 6,000, not 5,499, and I got it for just 3,000.
Dude, this is like, oh wow. You know, just go and ask your mom. Like seriously, is this worth? She will always like learn from her. Pakka. Learn from me now.
So guys, I have a disclaimer in this purchase. Basically, I thought we will get a whole cooker set, but we got only 2 lids and 3 cooker set. Like basically they will give only 2 lid. Wait, I'll show it. Okay, they will give only 2 lids, so that you need to adjust the 3 liter lid with the 2 liter one. But it's worth it, man. So guys, from now almost everything is in the same category, so I will be starting it from this. Okay, my mom wanted a bedsheet, a lot of bedsheet seriously, and she told me to book, and this is what I booked for the first thing. Isn't it cute? Tell me. Okay, this is a Homestar 120 TC microfiber double 3D print bedsheet, and it was around 1000 bucks, and we got it for 256 or something, and it was worth it, I swear. And guys, before buying something for your bed or something related to your home, just see the reviews and just see the measurements before you buy something. So first what I saw was the centimeters. You all can see length was 225 centimeter and width was 218 centimeter, and it was well going for my bed. Yes guys. And the fabric, everything was good, and I saw the reviews, because before buying something from Flipkart or any online shopping, you need to see the reviews, and it was around 3.9 and it was worth it. So guys, the second thing was this. Ta-da! This is in blue, and this is my second favorite thing what I bought. And yes guys, this was the worth, I swear, because the fabric is too good, like too good. And yes, 1 sec. This is IWS 144 TC microfiber double 3D printed bedsheet, pack of 1 in blue, and it was around 1200, and I got it for 300. guys, the third thing was this bedsheet. This has flower prints on it, which is so good, and this material is very soft. I swear, from all the bedsheet what I got or something, this is the only fabric which I like because it's very soft. So guys, this is also in the same range, IWS 144PC microfiber double 3D printed bedsheet, pack of 1. You have multiple colors in this, and guys, it was also around 1200 and I got it for only 300. So guys, the fourth thing what I bought was this bedsheet, and I am a bit disappointed with this because the material is not good at all. I swear, I don't know why. Okay, if I show you
all can see, I guess, I don't know, but you all can see a transparent thing. I don't know why I don't like this fabric. It's something like I don't like. That's all.
So guys, this was Chachvi Indian 120 TC micro fabric double 3D printed bedsheet, and it has multiple colors in this, and it was around 1000 and I gave almost 250 rupees. And I swear I didn't like because the fabric is bad and I didn't like, and I would never recommend someone to buy this. Don't buy this, okay? Never. So guys, this is what I bought next. I guess you all can see different colors in this. It was
around what can I tell? Almost every color is there. Pink, yellow, blue, white, every stripe, like every color is there. Purple is also there. And yes guys, this I'll be inserting a picture over here.
This is a IWS 114 TC microfiber double geometric bedsheet. Okay, in pack of 1, and it is around 1200 and I got it for 300. So guys, this is what I bought last but one, and this is it. This is my favorite. This is my favorite seriously because it has hearts and the color is nice, white and red. And then I have something for you all to think or do a research before buying something from any website. That is, when you get something like a bedsheet, you need to check about the pillow measurement as well, because if pillow measurement is not proper, then the bedsheet is not worth to buy. You got it? Guys, it is Chachvi Indian 120 TC microfiber double 3D print bedsheet, pack of 1 in red, and it is around 1000 bucks, but I got it for 250 rupees. That's it. So guys, you all will be wondering what did I get in that white big parcel. You know what it was? This one. Basically, this is a pillow set of 5. So only it was so huge. So guys, as you all can see, it is Jojo cotton solid cushion package of 5, and the amount is around 1000, but the offer has been reduced. Even now it's 270, but when I bought it was 350. So guys, this is a steal. You all can buy it right now. So guys, obviously you all will know what I would have bought after the pillow. Yeah, that is pillow cover. See, this is so pretty, na? Yeah, I bought almost 5 sets of this, like 5 sets in one package. Okay, it is IGI 3D printed customized cover, package of 5, and I saw the measurement. It was 40 cm into 40 cm, which was proper for my pillow as well, and it was around 800 bucks and I got it for 397. Guys, the price has been reduced. Go buy this. Go buy this. So guys, I will be telling some tips that you should follow when you're buying something from online store. The first thing is you need to see the customer review. The second thing is you need to compare the product from one side to the another. Okay? Guys, if you do these 2 things properly, you will get a best quality or a best product with a lesser price. So please do compare and please do see the customer reviews. Guys, before ending this video, I have something to tell you all. Basically, this is what my mom bought for herself and not me. If you all want to see what I bought for myself, please do comment down below, and if the comment reaches at least 25 comments, I will be doing a haul for sure. And yes, before ending this video, thank you so much for watching this video. And yes guys, I have something surprising for you all. So stay tuned. If you would have liked this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel,